flood warning for Randolph County, Davidson County, Guilford County, Forsyth County until 11:45 p.m. Saturday at 3:46 p.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 4 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. North Buffalo Creek and South Buffalo Creek are running very high, and many roadways in Guilford County are experiencing high water or ponding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Greensboro, Winston-Salem, High Point, Asheboro, Lexington, Randleman, North Carolina Zoo, Thomasville, Kernersville, and Clemens. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Excessive runoff from the heavy rain will cause flash flooding of creeks and streams, roads, low-lying and poor drainage areas. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where water covers the road. Many roads and intersections in the area will quickly flood. When encountering flooded roads, turn around, don't drown. Do not enter or cross flowing water or water of unknown depth. Driving will be hazardous. Use caution. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson, Forsyth, Guilford, and Randolph.
Oh, double header! Double header! Double header! Double header! Double header!
Here is a special message from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Alamance, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a warning for the Hall River and Hall River. From this evening to late Sunday night, or until the warning is canceled. At 3:31 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 11.6 feet. Flood stage is 18.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early tonight and continue to rise to near 21.3 feet tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage late tomorrow. Impact at 20.0 feet. There is significant overflow on the right bank opposite the water treatment plant.
Oh my god, a double header. Wait.
The flash flood warning remains in.
Oh my god, that was a double header. I think it was a flood warning for the Hall River. I do not know.